Won't be long, though. We got a job promised in Newport News, and they're going to write us here.
You're lucky, Ham. Jobs are hard to find these days.
Losing the farm, there's no other place to have them right. And it's been my heart's craving to see home again.
You can have our room. John will move in with the boys. I'll sleep with the girls. And Job, you can bunk in with John Boy.
And we can always put another bean in the pot.
John Boy, Jason, I want you to meet your cousin Cora, her son Joe, and her husband Ham.
Sonny, nice to meet you. Good to meet you. Hey, the size of them boys. I tell you, this back country is sure a place to raise them.
Where are you folks from?
We come all the way from Kansas.
Boys, Hamilton here lost his farm in the drought. Him and Cousin Cora will be staying with us for a spell.
I'm sorry about your farm. Yeah, it sure is a bitter thing to see land you've worked go swirling off in a cloud of dust.
Oh, I'm gonna fart. I'm gonna fart.
They approved the farmers out west would get rain soon. You should have waited a little while longer.
Son?
Oh, I'm gonna fart again.
Keep in mind that if God wanted
Oh, that's that spaghetti.
rain, he don't need us.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Oh, I did a lot of exercise.
Those things of yours are gone inside where they
Think how good it's gonna feel when next time you do exercise, it'll hurt less. Ah. There's a limit. Yeah, but the inside muscles are stronger now. I'm not saying you're not gonna hurt every day for the rest of your motherfucking life, but the quality of the life that you can live is worth the pain. So it's gonna hurt. Big fucking deal. 2 more slow. It's worth it. Because now I finally get to do what I want to do instead of what everybody fucking else told me to do all my life. This time I get to do what I want to do. So this time it's actually, the pain is worth it. So I'll do it. Oh. I can tell that that scar has been stretched as far as it can be stretched, though. That one needs to be rested. Yep. That one's just a fucked up cramp, but this one, but I better not stretch this one anymore if I don't want to bleed. This one's at capacity. This is all I got on this side left. Yep. That's all I got left on this side.